LIDR stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Aeye Inc stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. Now, as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 5 years and 43,000 videos documented more than anyone else, I've been documenting what's working for me, what's printing and what's not. Especially with LIDR, because this is a solid demand zone. I mean, just recently I got called out the long, which here's the proof of. I'm going to show you the proof. Why the heck not? Let's check. Yeah, that was great. It was phenomenal. It was like 4 days back, and from here on, the only thing that I would care about is just a solid double break for me to buy. And here's the biggest kicker: if I do not see the double break and my rules are not met, guess what? Am I gonna buy? No. Yeah, very simple, mate. Just like if this then that situation. I mean, I'm just gonna stick to my edge, and if you want to stay tuned, because there's a lot of receipts with LIDR also in my Discord. Just click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.